Hope everybody's doing well. And I'm very excited to announce that I'm starting a new web series called Business Growth Unlock with Khurram Ali. Before we start discussing about the series and what does it contain, let me have a little bit of introduction about myself. My name is Khurram Ali and I'm based out of Virginia in the suburbs of Washington, D.C. I've been in technology industry for about 20 years and working with all sizes companies, including Fortune 500, government sector, nonprofits, small and medium-sized businesses. The main area of my expertise are related to technology and business strategy, as well as implementing small and large-scale projects. One of the reasons to start this series is to educate not only businesses but also individuals to really understand the core building block of a business and how does a business operate. Once you understand those core business blocks, that can help you to grow your business in the right direction. Working with so many organizations, I can understand the business growth, especially in these areas where the economy is not growing like it was growing the couple of previous years, is very challenging. So it basically compounds the effort that you have to do in order to grow or even sustain your business in many cases. However, if you understand the fundamental of the business, especially related to technology, how does technology can help you grow and also help you supplement how to get a new business or retain a business, that can definitely help you in long run. This web series that I'm starting, as I said, the name of that web series will be Business Growth Unlocked with Khurram Ali, will consist of 10 episodes. I will pick up a unique topic in each episode, which will be in sequential way. As an example, I'll start with the basic building blocks, basically start or consist of. From there, what are the different areas like marketing, sales, operations, management, integrations, and so on and so forth, and how you can utilize different available systems, your resources, in order to get the best output, especially making sure that you are going in the right direction. So if this is something of a value, I would highly recommend to follow my channel, and I hope it will be provide a lot of value, not only for entrepreneurs or business owners, but equally to different developers, project managers, business analysts, QAs, and other folks who actually supplement the business. Because without understanding the overall picture, the long-term goal, sometimes you may not be able to contribute the way you could contribute for your organization. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon with the next episodes.